Craving a slice, but don't want your wallet to cry? I'm about to unveil my secret methods for snagging legit Domino's coupon codes, so you can have your pizza and eat it too. First up, head straight to the source, the Domino's website, before you even start building your dream pizza. Check the top banner or the deals section. Domino's often promotes active coupon codes right there for your viewing pleasure. Next, download the Domino's app. Available on both iOS and Android mobile apps are coupon gold mines. Check the coupon section regularly. You'll often find app-exclusive deals that you won't see anywhere else. It also helps to turn on push notifications. Don't underestimate the power of a simple Google search. Type in Domino's coupons, followed by your city or state. This often leads to coupon aggregator websites that compile available discounts. But be careful, double-check the expiration dates before getting too excited. Sign up for Domino's email list. Pizza places like Domino's send out a lot of emails, but they sometimes also include coupon codes, exclusive offers, and birthday discounts. It's worth the minimal inbox clutter to save some serious dough. Finally, don't forget to ask, believe it or not. Sometimes simply calling your local Domino's and asking if they have any current specials or coupon codes can work wonders. You might be surprised by what they can offer. Now go forth, find those deals, and enjoy your discounted pizza night. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.